Welcome to the classroom. This is season 3 of Welcome to the Classroom for the Geological Processes class Civil 2160 at York University in the Lausanne School of Engineering in the Civil Engineering program. And in this course, I want to teach you all about the geological processes that shape the landscape that we live in so that you can better understand how we can construct our civil engineering infrastructure and how it interacts with the landscape so that you can be better engineers and that you can design and mitigate geological hazards that may exist at the location where you're doing your construction and design project. Behind me, you got a perfect example. We've got a flood control weir. That's the concrete structure here. It's crossing the river, and it's actually used during the spring melt runoff to control the water. We actually hold a bit more water back here. You can see in the sections here, in the third section, we've got a lot of water, and it holds that back so we don't get flooding downstream. We also have a bridge on the other side, so there's infrastructure that is interacting with the creek, with the river behind me, and we need to understand how that river is eroding the soil, how it's depositing soil in some locations, what is the flow rate, how does that change throughout the season. These are all factors that are related to the geological landscape, and the river itself is a geological process creating geological landforms. We're going to teach you how to identify those landforms in this class and how then we can understand the geological hazards that may be associated with those landforms and how to design our infrastructure to mitigate the potential hazards. I want to give you a firm foundation in this geological processes class to understand the geological forces that are at play shaping our landscape, the ones that have shaped our landscape in the past, and how then we can use that information in our geological designs and our civil infrastructure. So that's basically the scope of the course. And through these videos, I want to bring you out into the field so you can see the geological processes and the engineering that plays with the landscape in real life. I'm out here for you. And if there's one thing that you'll take away from this class is a better appreciation for the earth that we live on and how we impact it with our designs. Through that understanding, will make you better civil engineers in the future. Thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoy this season of Welcome to the Classroom.